hope you're all very safe. Be safe and be active. And welcome to my class, Social Science. Children, before we move on to topic, shall we do warm-up activity? Okay, are you ready to do the warm-up activity? It's one kind of exercise. It's a kind of exercise. Okay, you have to use your hands. Okay, good. Tap your head. Rub your stomach. Tap your head. Rub your stomach. You have to do the both action at the same time. Okay, you have to do this action at the same time. Shall we do again? Okay, good. Tap your head. Rub your stomach. Tap your head. Rub your stomach. Have you enjoyed the activity? I hope you all enjoy the activity. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn very interesting and informative topic. Okay, I won't say topic name. You have to guess the topic. Okay, Margie will ask the question. You have to answer me. Have you seen ocean? Have you seen ocean? Where did you see? Yes, exactly correct. At beach you can see the ocean. Okay, this is your first clue. Okay, clear? Clear, children? I'm going to show some images. You have to find out the topic name. Okay, children? Ready? Yes. What is this, children? What is this? Yes, mountains. Very good. Can you guess the images? Yes, exactly correct. Deserts. See this image? The both maps are surrounded by the three sides surrounded by water. Yes, such landform is called peninsula. Very good. Peninsula. Okay. Wow. Very nice image. Very green and blue color. What is this? Rivers. Excellent, children. See this image? It's a very familiar one. Vivekananda Pare. And next, this is the statue of Thiruvalluvar. It's very familiar. No? Good. What is this? This blue color. Yes. Oceans. Very good, children. Good. Children, have you seen these images? These images are related to which category? Yes, landforms. Yes, these are all physical features of India, geographical features of India. On the basis of geographical features, India can be divided into 5 parts. Northern mountain, northern plains, western desert, southern plateau. Our topic is, I'm going to show our topic. Clear? Wait, children. Our topic is the coastal plains and island. Today we are going to learn grade 4 social science topic lesson number 7, that's coastal plains and islands. Shall we move to the lesson? Yes. Okay, children, tell me the topic of the lesson. Coastal plains and islands. Yes, good. Children, in this lesson we will learn about coastal plains, islands and lifestyle of the coastal plain peoples. Today we are going to learn about coastal plains. Island we will learn later. Okay, now we are going to learn about coastal plains and location of the coastal plains and division of coastal plains. Okay, children, shall we move to the topic? Definition. Let's see about definition. Definition of coastal plains. A coastal plain is a flat lying light piece of next to the ocean. A coast is a land beside a sea or ocean. மாஜி ஏற்கனவே உங்களை क्वेश्चन கேட்டேனா பீச்சுக்கு போயிருக்கீங்களான்னு பீச் பார்த்தீங்களா? பீச்சில் நம்ம எங்கே நிற்போம்? எல்லாருமே தரையில் நிற்போம். அப்போ கடல் தண்ணி தரைக்கு கிட்ட வரும்ல, தரையும் நிலமும் கடல் தண்ணியும் ஒரு இடத்துல சேரும்ல, அதுதான் கோஸ்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கடல் தண்ணியும் நிலமும் ஒரு இடத்துல சந்திக்கும்ல, அதுதான் கோஸ்ட். ஓகே, land and sea meet at coast. Land and sea meet at coast. Now Mars will bring real coastal plain here. Just close your eyes, children. What is this, children? This is our great India outline map. Okay, this is our India outline map. See this 3 areas. Yes, west, east, south. North, south, west, east. Clear? Yes. In your map, the blue color represents which part? Which area represents blue color in your map? Oceans and sea. Yeah, these are all oceans only. See this India map? The India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. The India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Such landform called peninsula. Okay, the 3 sides. See this map? The India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. This is such a landform called peninsula. Okay, Arabian Sea on west, Bay of Bengal on east, the Great Indian Ocean on south. Okay, in your previous lesson we have studied about Southern Plateau. Where is the Southern Plateau? Yes, the Southern Plateau, it is in a triangular shape. Okay, clear, children? Look at, let's see the location of the coastal plain. Children, look at the map. Already we have studied the Southern Plateau. It is in the triangular shape. The Southern Plateau is surrounded by narrow coastal plains on the eastern and western sides. East and west sides. Clear? Children, the areas marked with black color shade, no, it's indicate coastal plains. This is coastal plains. Okay, shall we move to the next? Yes. The Indian coastal line divided into 2 parts. One is western coastal plain, another one is eastern coastal plain. Okay, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain, where it is located? It is lies between Western Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The western coastal plains, see here, the western coastal plain lies between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Okay, it's between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. The eastern coastal plain lies between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Clear? Good. The coastal plain divided into western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. Children, India has extreme long coastline. Okay, it can be used ship to transport. India வந்து ரொம்ப blessed country. என்ன blessed countryனா அதுக்கு பெரிய coastal line இருக்கு. மற்ற country கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது இந்தியா வந்து பெரிய coastal line இருக்கு இந்தியாவுக்கு. அதுல நிறைய போர்ட் இருக்கு. போர்ட்னா என்னது சொல்லுங்க? போர்ட்னா ஷிப்ல என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுவோம்ல, டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட்க்கு ஷிப் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அல்ல லோடட் பண்ணுவோம். தட் இஸ் போர்ட். Okay, there are number of ports in this line. Okay, in the coastal plains. Let's see. The western coastal plain has some important ports. We are going to learn some important ports. Okay, the names of ports: Mumbai, Kandala, Kochi, Panaji. These are all names of port. These ports on western coastal plain. Now let's see about eastern coastal plains. Kolkata, Puducherry, Chennai. These ports are on the eastern coastal plains. Okay, these are all western coastal plains port. These are all eastern coastal plain port. Now, are you clear in this concept, children? Good. Let's see. Let's discuss about the western coastal plain passes through the state. In which are the states the western coastal line passes? Let's see about that one. Gujarat, Maharashtra. The western coastal line plains passes through these states. Okay. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. Again, children, listen carefully. The western coastal line passes through this state. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala. At end at Kanyakumari. The western coastal line starts from Gujarat and end at Kanyakumari. The eastern coastal plain starts from West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay, the eastern coastal plain passes through West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Its end at Kanyakumari. The both coastal lines meet at one place, that is Kanyakumari. The earlier name Kanyakumari. Okay, now Kanyakumari. The both coastal lines meet at the tip of peninsula. Clear? Good. Children, the western coastal plain divided into three parts. Okay, the western coastal plain divided into three parts. One is Gujarat coast. It is in Rana of Kutch, Gulf of Kutch. Okay, Rana of Kutch. Next, Konkan coast. Konkan coast from Goa. Okay, and Malabar coast, Goa to Kanyakumari. Okay, Malabar coast. Clear, children? The eastern coastal plain divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. The northern part of eastern coastal plain is called Northern Sarkars. Northern Sarkars. The northern plain is called, the northern part of eastern coastal plain is called Northern Sarkars. The southern part is called Coromandel coast. Eastern coastal plain divided into two parts. One is Northern Sarkars, the another one is Coromandel coast. Okay, shall we move to the next? Children, your class is over. Now we are going to recall the concepts again. Okay, the coastal plains divided into two. The western coastal plain. The western coastal plain consists of narrow strip of land in the western part of India between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. See here, this is the western coastal line. It between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Eastern coastal plain, it stretches from Tamil Nadu in the south to West Bengal in the north. Okay, the width of the plain varies between 100 to 130 kilometers. Yes, already we have learned this. The eastern coastal plain divided into three parts, Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. One more important point, see this map, children. This is western coastal plain, this is eastern coastal plain. See this, the eastern coastal plain wider than western coastal plain. ஈஸ்டர்ன் கோஸ்டல் பிளைன் தான் ரொம்ப பெருசானது, பெருசாக இருக்கும். அதில் இருக்க அந்த லென்த் வந்து ரொம்ப பெருசு. ஸோ ஈஸ்டர்ன் கோஸ்டல் பிளைன் வைடர் தென் வெஸ்டர்ன் கோஸ்டல் பிளைன். Clear children? Your class is over. I hope you all enjoy the session. You all understood all the concept, children? You can understand the concept? Yes. Listen carefully, children. You have to listen the video very carefully. Then only you can able to understand the answer. I hope you all enjoy the session, children. You should listen the video. Then only you can understand the concept. Dear parents, make your work to see this video. Children, shall I ask some questions? Okay. Indian coastal line divided into two parts. One is western coastal plain and another one is eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain divided into how many parts? 3. Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. Eastern coastal line divided into 2 parts, Northern Circus and Coromandel coast. The eastern coastal plain wider than western coastal plains. Thank you, children. Thank you for your cooperation also. Thanks a lot. And namaste. Ram Ram Namaste.